Hello guys, welcome to the Rev Games Academy. In the last video, we explored creating simple 3D environments, terrains, water, skyboxes. Today, I'll guide you through the health system in 3D games. Get ready to learn all the essentials. Let's dive right in. The health system is integrated with the player, allowing the player's health to decrease when they take damage. This concept can be understood by using the car hit the rock at the time the life reduce. First, create a plane. Right-click in the hierarchy window, select 3D object, and then click plane. Adjust the camera angle. Next, create a cube to define the rock. Right-click in the hierarchy window, select 3D object, and then click cube. Rename the cube to rock. Adjust the camera angle. Assign a tag to the cube by clicking the tag drop-down. Select Add Tag, then click the plus button to create a new tag named Rock. Click the Save and assign the rock tag to the cube. Now, apply the material to the rock. I have already created a material and changed its color to brown to resemble a rock. Simply drag and drop the material onto the cube. Now, create an image for health bar. Right-click in the hierarchy, select UI, and then click Image. The image has now been created, and it was added under the canvas. Every UI element is always created under the canvas. Rename the image to Health. Drag and drop the health image into the image component. Click the anchor and give the top left anchor. Click Set as Native and resize the image. Then change the image type to filled and the fill method to horizontal. You can access the fill amount to control the health bar's appearance. Next, I need a car, so I want to import it using a package. Go to the window menu and click on Package Manager. Search for arcade-free racing car. I have already downloaded it, so now I will import the package. This package is free and can be downloaded from the Unity Asset Store. Once imported, the package will appear in the project window. Click on the Prefab with Collider folder and drag and drop the free racing car prefab into the hierarchy window. The car will now appear in the scene window. Adjust the car's position as needed. To brighten the scene in-game windows, add a directional light. Right-click in the hierarchy window, select Light, and then choose Directional Light. Observe the difference in lighting. Create a script and attach it to the car. Now click on the car and create the car controller script. Click the Add component, then click New Script. Type the car controller script, then click Create and Add. Now Visual Studio is opening. The code defines a car controller with a speed of 10 and a turn speed of 100 for movement and rotation. It includes a health system represented by a health bar UI element with a maximum health of 100. The current health is tracked using current health, and the car's physics are handled by a rigid body component stored in R. The code initializes the rigid body component by assigning it to RB using getComponentRigidBody, allowing the script to control the car's physics. It also sets the car's current health to the maximum value, max health, and updates the health bar UI to reflect the initial health. This code handles the car's movement and turning. The vertical input controls forward and backward movement calculated with the car's speed and applied using RB move position. The horizontal input controls turning, creating a rotation based on the turn speed, which is applied with RB move rotation. This ensures smooth movement and rotation for the car. The update health bar method updates the health bar's fill amount to reflect the car's current health. It checks if the health bar exists and adjusts its fill amount by dividing the current health by the maximum health, ensuring the UI stays synced with the car's health status. The on-collision enter method detects collisions with other objects. If the car collides with an object tagged as rock, it calls the take damage method to reduce the car's health by 10. The take damage method decreases the car's health by a specified amount while ensuring it doesn't drop below 0 or exceed the maximum health. It then updates the health bar to reflect the new health value. Save the code. Go to Unity. The reference are come to the inspector window. Drag and drop the health bar image to the image component. Save the scene and click the Run button. Control the car using the arrow keys. When the car hits the rock, its life decreases in the game window. And that's it. Today you learned about adding health system in 3D games. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Unity tips. Stay tuned for the next video. We'll explore more things in Unity. See you next time.